Welcome back to the Stocks Update. Today, we have a significant discussion regarding Lucid Motors, a company that has been at the center of electric vehicle innovation. This week is particularly crucial for Lucid, as they have an upcoming event on the 27th, which has fueled speculation about a major announcement. Many believe this announcement could involve a strategic partnership with Hyundai. In this deep dive, we will explore the validity of this speculation, analyze the clues that hint at such a partnership, and examine the potential implications for the EV market. Lucid Motors has been making waves in the EV industry, but this week is particularly interesting because of their scheduled event on the 27th. While details about the event remain scarce, there is growing speculation that Lucid might announce a new partnership, possibly with Hyundai. The idea of Lucid collaborating with a major automaker like Hyundai is intriguing, given both companies' positions in the industry and their individual strengths. Aside from the event, industry analysts and investors are also keeping a close eye on Lucid's stock performance and market movements. The EV sector is highly competitive, and any potential partnerships or strategic shifts could have significant implications. One of the most compelling arguments for a potential Lucid-Hyundai partnership comes from Hyundai's upcoming event on the 28th, where they will be debuting a new brand, either Playoffs or Prius. While the details of this brand remain unclear, what is particularly interesting is that the event will feature an exhibit showcasing potential partnership opportunities. The use of the word potential in this context is worth analyzing. Does this mean Hyundai is considering partnerships that have yet to be officially announced? If so, could Lucid be one of those partners? While nothing is confirmed, there are several indications that suggest a collaboration between the two companies is possible. One major piece of evidence comes from an analysis of industry reports and insider speculation. Adam Jonas, a well-known analyst, recently provided a re-rating of Lucid stock, giving it a bullish case of $10. This rating was particularly intriguing because it was based on an AI partnership, something that was previously not on anyone's radar. Could Jonas have been hinting at an AI-related collaboration between Lucid and Hyundai? If so, this could be a game-changer. Another important factor to consider is Saudi Arabia's role in Lucid's strategic decisions. Saudi Arabia's public investment fund PIF has been a major backer of Lucid, providing significant financial support and guiding the company's long-term strategy. If we examine the partnerships that have been fostered under the PIF umbrella, we see a pattern emerging. Lucid has already established relationships with major players like Nvidia, LG, and Panasonic. Additionally, Seer and High-End, both of which operate under PIF's broader influence, are positioned right next to Lucid in terms of partnerships. Given this interconnected network, it would not be surprising if Lucid's next major partnership involved Hyundai, especially considering the infrastructure and technological synergies between the two companies. Saudi Arabia's investment strategy revolves around creating a strong EV ecosystem. By facilitating partnerships between Lucid and other major players, the PIF is ensuring that its investments are aligned with future growth. If a Lucid-Hyundai partnership were to materialize, it would fit perfectly into this overarching strategy. Component analysis: similarities between Lucid and Hyundai. One of the more intriguing aspects of this speculation comes from a recent social media post by an industry insider who pointed out potential similarities between Lucid and Hyundai components. Specifically, a post by Brett suggested that certain Lucid parts closely resemble components used by Hyundai. The post compared a specific component from Hyundai's lineup with Lucid's Wonderbox. While there are similarities, the comparison is not conclusive. The configuration of some parts does seem to align, but it is also possible that multiple automakers source similar components from the same suppliers. Playing devil's advocate, it is entirely plausible that Lucid and Hyundai are simply using similar suppliers rather than engaging in a direct partnership. Despite this, the similarities cannot be ignored, especially when considered alongside the broader context of Lucid's partnerships and strategic direction. Looking back at Lucid's past statements, there have been multiple references to OEM original equipment manufacturer partnerships. Peter Rawlinson, Lucid CEO, has previously mentioned that the company has been in discussions with several OEMs about potential collaborations. While these discussions were primarily focused on mid-size partnerships, they left the door open for larger-scale agreements as well. More recently, Lucid's Q4 earnings report included an interesting comment from Mark, who hinted that something significant was coming soon. Could this upcoming development align with Hyundai's event? The timing certainly raises some questions, and investors are eager to find out more. While much of the speculation has centered around Hyundai, there is another possibility worth considering: Apple. Lucid and Apple have been rumored to be potential partners for some time, given Apple's interest in the EV space. However, despite the speculation, nothing has come to fruition yet. Apple has been notoriously secretive about its automotive ambitions, and while Lucid's technology would certainly align with Apple's high standards, there is no solid evidence to suggest that a partnership is imminent. That being said, the idea of a Lucid-Apple collaboration remains an intriguing possibility. If Hyundai is not the partner in question, could Apple be the one stepping in? Only time will tell. Hyundai's $20 billion U.S. investment and its potential impact. Another major factor to consider is Hyundai's recent investment in U.S. infrastructure. Former President Trump mentioned a significant $20 billion deal from Hyundai aimed at building a steel plant in the U.S. While this investment is primarily focused on industrial expansion, it does signal Hyundai's commitment to growing its presence in the American market. Could this investment be a precursor to a deeper collaboration with Lucid? If Hyundai is looking to strengthen its supply chain and manufacturing capabilities in the U.S., partnering with an established EV company like Lucid could provide strategic advantages. Stock market implications and short interest trends. As all of this unfolds, Lucid's stock performance is also under scrutiny. Pre-market trading shows that Lucid stock is relatively flat. Short interest in Lucid has been increasing, with 243,000 shares shorted in the pre-market. Nasdaq's latest report indicates a total of 284.95 million shorted shares, representing 23.54% of the free float. This marks an increase of 6.23% in shorted shares between February 28 and March 14. The increase in short interest suggests that some investors are betting against Lucid. However, if a major partnership announcement does materialize, it could lead to a short squeeze, forcing short sellers to cover their positions and driving the stock price higher. The next few days will be critical for Lucid Motors. With their event on the 27th and Hyundai's event on the 28th, we may be on the verge of a major announcement. Whether or not a Hyundai partnership is confirmed, the clues and industry trends suggest that Lucid is positioning itself for something big. What do you think? Will Lucid announce a Hyundai partnership, or is something else in the works? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.